Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Tutorial Tuesday. In this episode, we're going to talk about the overhyped XP Deus 2, and why Jim probably will not be using one anytime soon. We will be selecting the winner of the CKG carbon fiber Equinox shaft. We will also be selecting the winner of last week's Would You Dig It, and at the end of this video I have another Would You Dig It contest for a $25 Amazon gift card. So guys, let's get started. So guys, I want to thank everybody for sending me the well wishes. The surgery really didn't take place the way I thought it would. We were initially going to cut me open and finally get rid of this thing, but what took place was because of the location near a main artery, they would not cut it open. However, they did take 3 needles, completely aspirated it, and it feels so much better. The only negative is the same thing I've been dealing with for 20 years. It eventually is going to be coming back, and they'll have to do this procedure all over again. Anyways, not a big deal. I'm much better. I'm going to be hunting again coming this Friday, 17th, and I'm going to dig for Christine, who won the I Dig for You. And I'm hoping to dig lots of great, wonderful things. You know, she's going to love gold. Who doesn't, right? Platinum, diamonds, whatever I can dig, I want to dig for her. And I'm hoping to do that this Friday, the 17th. She said, Jim, just go find the beach that you can dig the most gold for me. That's my plan. That's what I'm planning on doing, and that's what I plan on doing this Friday. So hopefully that works out. Alright, so give me all the best gold vibes on this. And guys, that bike, I don't know if you guys saw the review of that bike. It came to my front door. It came to my front door, and I come home after the surgery. Uber dropped me off, you know, as a little, you know. And I'm like, whoa, that's a big box in front of that door for being one-handed. Got it moved pretty easy, but I had a lot of fun putting it together, and I did put that together in about 27 minutes one-handed. I didn't tell that in the video, but I did it pretty much one-handed, and I could not wait to get on it. And yeah, that very same day I got on it and played with it. So just to let you know. Anyways, I'm doing much better, and thank you so much, guys. So let's get on with the video. So guys, why is Jim not going to be putting an XP Deus 2 in his arsenal anytime soon? Guys, I'm waiting for all of you guys and all the metal detector enthusiasts in this world to figure it out. Alright? To test it out for me. I've never been one to jump on hype. I'm a treasure hunter. I'm going to hunt with the best tools that I know are good. I'm not a metal detector enthusiast. I use a metal detector to treasure hunt with, okay? That is a big difference. Metal detector enthusiasts also are metal detectorists. They could also be treasure hunters. But guys, I'm a treasure hunter that uses a metal detector. I'm not a metal detector enthusiast. However, I do study the technology of metal detecting, right? Have for years. I built my own metal detectors back in the days when you really didn't have much of a choice, right? I know that Elaine Lubay has benefited Jim way more than anybody could possibly imagine. The XP Deus was such a game changer, it gave birth to the Equinox. Jim, what are you talking about? One is an XP, one is from Minelab. Guys, the XP Deus was a game changer in metal detecting. It took something that you could swing all day long. The ergonomic design of it made it great to use in the field. Wasn't very good at the beach, right? That's where everybody's excited about the XP Deus 2 being really good at the beach, guys, but that is not why I am excited about the XP Deus 2. I'm excited about the innovative push that it is going to push, right? So, XP Deus came out, and then Minelab had to answer. and they created the Equinox. That is my absolute favorite metal detector there is. And with the computers and computer science being related to what we are doing now, I am excited to see what the next level is. So I love my Equinox 800. I'm not going to get rid of it anytime soon until something becomes better. And what I mean by something better, it's got to be something that I can swing all day. It's got to have great battery life. You know, I wish Minelab would just make a better version of the Equinox and a little bit more solid in its build. All right, you guys know what I mean. Those ear coils. Start off with that, right? So much innovation and technology is going to come out by Alain Loubet's push with the XP Deus 2. So now, let's select the winner of the CKG carbon fiber Equinox shaft. Okay guys, I don't know if I've ever showed you the Equinox shaft that I use. It's the carbon fiber Equinox shaft from CKG. I absolutely love this thing. I've been using it since April. Every single day. I really have only had one issue with it, and that was because it was a prototype that they sent, and they resolved that issue. Got a little rust spot right in there, so I squirt it with some WD-40 every once in a while to clean it up a little bit, and then immediately wash it with some water. So I know the WD-40 is like a solvent, so I wouldn't want the plastics or anything to get eaten away. I know it does on golf clubs, so I could imagine it happens the same way on any plastics, right? So I absolutely love it, and guess what? They reached out to me and said, hey, we want to give one away. And so I need to come up with a game. Yeah, let's make it interesting and fun, because I absolutely love this thing, and I'm just getting ready to finish. And all I got to do now is, oh, my ring is making this Knox go crazy. It needs to find gold is what it needs to do. But yeah, nice and super lightweight. This thing is so nice. Makes it so easy just to carry on out, or to carry on in, or store, or put away. I absolutely love my CKG carbon fiber Equinox shaft, guys. It is one of my best tools in my arsenal. It really is. I've been using it since April and loved it ever since I've had it. Guys, I have a great fun game so you guys can win this. Now, for you Equinox owners, all right, this is going to be a little tricky, but we're going to have fun. All right, so you guys are going to guess the numbers. All right, so this tiny gold ring, I don't know if it's focusing all that well. See, it's fairly thin. It's a gold ring, so if it's laying in the flat position, what number will it ring up? Comment below. Alright, I got two more guesses for you guys, or two more items for you guys to guess. So, the first one is the gold ring. Tell me, what number is this little gold ring gonna come up? Okay guys, I think you guys can see that gold ring right there. Alright, right there is that gold ring. Let's go 90 degrees. I saw 13, 14. So 13 stayed pretty strong at, but somebody guessed 14. I'll put that in as well. Did we ever see 12? Yeah, we did see 12. So I saw 12, 13, and 14. All right, just to make it fair. Okay, guys. The next one is, I have a quarter. So when this quarter is laying flat, what will it ring up? This isn't a regular quarter either, guys. See how black it is? That's a silver quarter. So what number will it ring up on the Equinox? Okay, right there is the quarter. Okay, right there is the quarter, guys. That is a silver quarter. I've seen 24, 25, 26, 29, and 30. All right. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Never did see a 31 or above, guys. Okay, sometimes it'll ring up a couple of different numbers. As long as you guessed one of them correctly, all right, that's all that matters. And you only get one answer, all right? So if you guys are guessing that's going to ring up a certain number, use that one number, okay? And here's number 3. A silver chain, okay? So this is a broken silver chain, and I am going to lay it flat like this, double folded over. Okay guys, there is the chain, and it is double folded over. Okay, right there is the chain. $11, $12. And yes guys, that is a silver chain. I saw a 10, 11, 12, brief 13. So I could say 10, 11, 12, 13 on the silver chain. For the CKG carbon fiber Equinox shaft, you need to guess the numbers of the gold ring, the silver quarter, and the silver chain. Okay guys, it's time to select the winner of the CKG Carbon Fiber Equinox shaft. And guys, after scouring all of your comments over the last hour and a half, I found the very perfect answer. Iva Donahue. For the CKG shaft, my answer is gold ring would be a 13, and we know that is perfect. The quarter would be a 30. I know that to be perfect. And the silver chain would be 10, and we also know that is a perfect answer. So guys, Iva Donahue is the winner of the CKG Carbon Fiber Equinox shaft. And Iva Donahue, you can send me an email. You can find that in the About Me section of my channel page. I will forward your information on to CKG, and they will send you out your brand new CKG Carbon Fiber Equinox shaft. Congratulations, Iva Donahue. Send me an email. You can find that in the About Me section of my channel page. I will forward that on to CKG, and they will send you out your brand new CKG Carbon Fiber Equinox shaft. And guys, now it's time to select the winner of last week's Would You Dig It? Okay guys, I got one for you here. I am in Beach 1, all metal mode. Turn the light on. I don't have the earphones on, and I got a target that I put right there. So for the Would You Dig It and a $25 Amazon gift card that we will select in next Tutorial Tuesday, let me know what you think it is. All right? Let's go 90 degrees. Would you dig it? Comment below what you think it is, and you'll have a chance to win a $25 Amazon gift card that we will select in next Tutorial Tuesday. Okay guys, let's dig this one up. Right there. Ready? The big reveal. It is a Susan B. Anthony $1 coin.
Okay, guys, it's time to select the winner of last week's Would You Dig It? I'm going to my TubeBuddy app. I'm going to pick a winner. Comment must contain the words, and I'm going to go with dollar because it's a dollar coin. Pick a winner. Corey the Treasure Hunter sounds like a $half. It's not a $half, Corey. Pick a winner. $half. Sorry, Kathy. Get some, got some. I would dig it. Dollar coin. Congratulations, get some, got some. Send me an email. You can find that in the About Me section of my channel page, and I will send you out your $25 Amazon gift card.
Congratulations, get some, got some. Send me an email. You can find that in the About Me section of my channel page, and I will send you out your $25 Amazon gift card. And guys, don't get discouraged. I have another Would You Dig It contest giveaway happening right now for a $25 Amazon gift card that we will select in next Tutorial Tuesday, happening right now. So let's check this one out. Okay guys, I have a Would You Dig It right here for a $25 Amazon gift card that we will select in next Tutorial Tuesday. All right, I have an item I put right here. Guys, I am in Beach 1, which I'm going to actually move over to Park 1. So I'm in Park 1. I'm at 20 sensitivity. All right, so let's take a look at this one. Let's see, turn that light on, maybe you can see that better. Sounds awfully good. Let's go over here. Would you dig it? And if you would dig it, comment below what you think it is, and you'll have a chance to win a $25 Amazon gift card that we will select in next Tutorial Tuesday. Let me go right over here one more time, guys. All right, let's dig this thing up. Would you dig it? I dug it. Would you dig it? And if you would dig it, comment below what you think it is, and you'll have a chance to win a $25 Amazon gift card that we will select in next Tutorial Tuesday. And guys, if you like this video, please click like. If you'd like to see more, consider subscribing, ringing this bell, and receive all the notifications every time I release a new video. And please take a look at this video right here.